Hello, welcome to Chapter 1, Lesson 3, Ordering Numbers. We are going to use comparing numbers that we learned about yesterday, to order a set of 3 or more numbers today. Let's get started. Here's our first example. The Odell family went on a whale watching trip. They learned about different whales. The table shows the length of 3 whales. So this is a table over here that tells us this information. One way we can order numbers is by using a place value chart. So we're going to line up the numbers by their place value from the right, that's this side, and compare from the left. So starting at the left, we are going to start comparing. Okay. So 1,000 is the greatest number because it's the only one that has 1,000, has any thousands in it. So we know that 1,128 is the greatest. Next, we're going to look at the hundreds place. And we notice we have a 2 versus a 7. So not 7 hundreds are more than 200. So 744 is going to come next. And lastly, 264. So that's how to use a place value chart. Another way would be on a number line. So notice this number line went up by hundreds. So we need to make sure we have an equal interval. So that means 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200. We're adding 100 each time. We wouldn't want to go 200, 201, 300, 301, 400, right? Because that's not equal intervals. So this way, it shows us that the smallest number is 264, 744 is in the middle, and 1,128 is the biggest, and that's the one we want to eat. Okay, the order from least to greatest is, so the smallest to biggest, least to greatest, 264, 744, 1,128 inches. Let's move on. Example 2. The table shows the distances whales travel to feed in the summertime. This is called migration. Order these distances from greatest to least. Okay. So first, if we use a place value chart, we line up starting at the right, the ones, the tens, hundreds, thousands, and then we compare starting at the left. So this number has 3 thousands, this one has 6 thousands. So we know that the greatest is going to be 6,200 because it has the most thousands. The second greatest number then is going to be the other number that has thousands, because this one has 0 thousands, right? We don't need to put a 0 there, but it's got nothing. And so 3,500 is going to be the second greatest number. So the biggest one that we're going to want to eat is 6,200, then 3,500, and therefore the last one is going to be 900. It's going to be the smallest one. So the whale's migration distances from greatest to least are, again, greatest to least, are 6,200 miles, 3,500 miles, and 900 miles. All right, let's check out another one. Order the numbers from, now look at this, they keep switching on us, don't they? Least to greatest this time. Okay, so what is the smallest one? Let's compare the tens. We've got 3, 6, 3. So we know the greatest is going to be this one. So he's going to go last. I'm going to write him down because we know that. Okay, but the last two numbers both have 3s in the tens, so let's move over and compare the ones. This number has 9. This number has 2. So what's the least? That 2 is the least. So 32 is going to come first. Then 39. And lastly 68. So that's comparing from least to greatest. All right, let's do this next one. We have the thousands place. Only one has the thousands, so we know that's going to be the greatest. 2,202. Okay, so we can cross that one off. We've already did that one. Now if we compare the hundreds, they both have 200s, so we can't figure out which one's bigger. Then let's look at the tens. 0 tens versus 2 tens. Ooh, this one's bigger, so it's going to go in the middle. 220. And lastly, the least number up here is 202. All right. So that's all that you need to watch for today. If things are going great, I'm going to do a couple extra sample problems. So if you'd like to stick around, let's keep going. Okay, so here we need to order the numbers from least to greatest. So I really like the place value chart way to do things. So let's do that. 210, 182, and 153. Okay, so we want the smallest number. So if I compare the hundreds place first, I see I have 200s, 100s, and 100. And so that means the greatest number I have is 210. So I'm going to write it over here on this side. Then I have to go to the tens place. I have a 1, 10, and a 5. Oh, sorry, we already did 210. I better cross it off. See, look, if I don't cross it off, then I think it's still part of the game. So we're looking at 8 tens versus 5 tens. So 8 tens are bigger, so I'm going to write them in the middle. 182. And lastly, 153 is the least. Least to greatest. Notice I double check at the end. Let's do this little guy right here. 9,544, 9,455, and 9,564. Okay, notice I lined all the ones place values, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So let's compare. Look at, they all are in the 9,000, so that doesn't help us out at all. Let's look at the hundreds next. 2 5s and a 4, so the least number is going to be the 4. So that's going to come first, 9,455. Then we have to go to the tens. This one has 4 tens and 6 tens. I'm going to cross out the one that I already wrote down. So we know that 4 tens are less, and that's what we're looking for here. So 9,544. Lastly, 9,564. Least to greatest. Yes. All right, I'm going to go to the next page so we can see some other examples. Order the numbers from greatest to least. You guys, this is going to be very tricky. You got to read these questions really carefully. Okay, so let's do number 6. So I'm going to line them up. 3,764, 3,647, and 2,473. Okay, so we're going to compare from the left. And we're looking for the biggest one. So we already know from looking at the thousands place that this is the smallest. So it's going to go on this side. 2,473. Exit off. These both have 3,000, so let's move over to the hundreds. 700 and 600. Okay, so we know 700 is going to be the biggest. 3,764. And then in the middle is going to be 3,647. So there we go for that one. Problem solving. The Jacksons, Chens, and Sims each went on a vacation. The Jacksons drove 835 miles. The Sims drove 947 miles. And the Chens drove 100 miles further than the Jacksons. So let's go back here. The Jacksons were 835. So if I take 835 and they drove 100 miles further, so that means I need to add 100. which means the hundreds place is just going to go up to 9 and the other stays the same. They drove 935 miles. Which family drove the furthest on vacation? So we know 835 is definitely the smallest. So now if we're comparing 947 to 935, they both are 900. Let's look at the tens. Is 4 bigger or 3 bigger? 4 is bigger. So 947 drove the farthest, which is the Sims. Drove the furthest. There we go. And let's do these ones. The addresses on Plum Street are out of order. Michael puts them in this order. 7,867, 8,112, and 7,831. Did he put them in order from least to greatest? No way! How do I know that? It says explain how you know. No! Because he went from 7,000 to 8,000 and back to 7,000, right? He went from a 7,000 to an 8,000 to a 7,000. Like, that's not right. Okay, test practice. 4 cars are parked in order from least to greatest. What does that say? Price. Okay. Which set of numbers shows the prices of the cars as they are parked? So smallest to biggest number. Okay, we've got 7, 7, 8, 9. So that's good. Let's compare the next ones. We've got 2 6s. And then a 5 and a 6. So yep, these are good. Check, check. We know that's the next biggest one. We have 8,000, 9,000. Least to greatest. So that one works. Let's check this. 9877. That's not smallest to biggest, least to greatest. 8977, not least to greatest. 9877, again, not least to greatest. So we got it right the first time. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.